All right, Prajwal Revanna's medical checkup now concludes. Big update coming in. He's been taken to the magistrate's court, and it appears that in just a few minutes from now, a verdict will come about on whether Prajwal Revanna will get bail or will he remain in custody. Medical procedure has just about completed. Prajwal Revanna leaves from Bowring Hospital. He's currently taken to the magistrate's court. Remember, he's a member of parliament, which means he has some special privileges. In fact, the representatives court, special representatives court, is going to be hearing the bail plea in the first place. So it could be fast-tracked. The hearing itself could be fast-tracked, considering he's an MP. All eyes now on the court on Prajwal Revanna's bail plea, an anticipation bail that was filed, all on the grounds claiming that all the allegations that have been leveled against him are morphed. First of all, videos are morphed, and it's all fabricated. It's only a smear campaign, politically motivated one. Let me cut to Shilpa Nair joining us for more on that. Shilpa, he's been taken to court now. We believe he's en route court. Has he arrived into court? Give us a confirmation.
Well, he's Nabila. We're in fact outside the City Civil Court here in Bengaluru, and just a short while back, Prajwal Revanna was taken inside the court premises to produce him before the magistrate, as is the procedure. Remember, Prajwal Revanna was arrested and taken into custody by the SIT last night, so they have 24 hours before them to produce Prajwal Revanna before a magistrate, and for that reason we saw them, the SIT officials, taking Prajwal for a medical checkup as well to the Bowring Hospital, where he underwent a medical checkup, and after that he was brought here to the City Civil Court, where he will be produced before the magistrate. In fact, we are being told that Magistrate K.N. Shivakumar will be hearing this particular case, and advocates from both sides, the SIT and even from Prajwal's sides, all of them are present inside the hall. My colleague Sagai is inside the courtroom giving us updates. So we are awaiting more updates from the court as to what exactly is happening in terms of the hearing. We'll have to wait and see whether SIT gets custody of Prajwal Revanna, because that will hold key for the investigation.
It's a special hearing, considering this is a special representatives court. City Civil Court is where all the action currently is now ensuing. In fact, we have Sagai Raj, who's currently inside court, Shilpa Nair right outside, Anaga Keshav is at the CID's office. We have our reporters at different vantage points covering very closely the outcome of Prajwal Revanna in the SIT probe.